Okay. Valentine's. Alin na, Bem? Alin na, Bem? Alin na. Na. Kuha na po. Basin makadalikit may bakasyon din kay bakasyon ba sa April? Basin na muingon si daddy nga. Hit na, Bem, kay mato na dahil ta sa boat. Sa basil boat na to. Kuya. Ayun na mga una na. Ha? Kabaday? Ay. O sabay kwarta diya nga pariya raman taga. Nakakuan lang. Nakaswerte lang sa second kuan pero
imong anak eh, last time nag-promote naman to sa Tundura.
si Aljane.
Si Aljane ba?
Katong kamagwangan ako nga kuan din. Anyway, nibalik siya sa na siya sa Air Kingdom.
Air King siya?
Oo, siya nakuan siya. Logistic one. Amurag I don't know kung correct ba ko. Sa Air King siya.
Sa Air King siya.
Ikaw sa kuan Japon, Medea? Dili.
Oh, sa media ka po?
Oo. Kaya na may conception, talatalan na di ba?
Oo, kuhan mo na. Produkto sa media.
Oo, di ba? Ay, Diyos ko.
Tiguang, sa kapoy naman mo dukong tiguang na.
Hindi, gamay kaayo lagi ni siya. Oh, katong mosa ang nasakyan na itong kuwan pag-anhin na mo din ni.
Iso sa man, imong kinsa lang anak.
Kang dito namin Eden sa boat. Sa Trans Asia, nag-dinner meet. Sana may free lechon. Hindi na kami makatikim. Ayan, ito na lang ang sa amin. Okay. Kaon eh. Eat me, dinner me ni Heaven. Heaven. We are here in the Trans-Asia travel forum. We are in the canteen. With my girl. Okay, we're moving soon. Our departure. Kaya bisita na daw. No allowed to visit already in the diesel. We're soon gonna be moving. Close the door. Bemong gubog na
Once again, calling members of the ticket distribution team, kindly proceed to your assigned areas now.
Malap mo ba? Vessel Bend. Huh? Arrived na mi sa Tagbilaran. Ayun, si mo kang bikay. Okay. Una na bi. Walk. Okay. Just buy our ticket. Bili muna kami ng ticket. Just buy it. Okay. Buy ticket. We just buy a ticket. Kabili lang namin ng ticket. Sa Ocean Jet. Go back to Dumaguete. We are here in Tagbilaran already. So early the boat docked in the Baysel. Around 4:05. Yeah. So early, so it's okay.
Oh my god, son.
So dark. Go there, oh. Go there. Oops. Go there. Gigi. Okay. Dark pa. Ice, ice. B. State your cornflower. Hold like this. Okay. You got a time out. Oh, blackout. Blackout here. And burn in. Burn out here. We're boarding now inside the port. Okay, for departure. Okay, paano kami? Pasakay na kami sa Vessel. To Dumaguete na. Ayan. Okay. We're in the Vessel of Ocean Jet. Going to Dumaguete. Going to Dumaguete. This is our second, third. trip again.
Dito kami sa ano, Brian. Dito.
Another boat. Sleepsy Heaven. Sleepsy Heaven. Sleep ang baby. Moving now. Going to Dumaguete.
Dr. Joseph Ibas III, assisted by Chief Officer Anthony Lorenzo and Chief Engineer Victor Batuan. Only passengers for this trip should be boarded to the vessel. We ask you to please remain seated. Smoking is prohibited for the duration of the voyage. We also remind our new passengers that upgrading on seat is not allowed during onboarding. Foods are now available to order under my Jack Treats. Please wait for your stewardess to come near you for your orders.
Okay, gift ni Daddy. For us, for me. Okay, gift ni Daddy for Valentine's. Valentine's in the US. Happy Valentine's. Okay. Han, come here. We just celebrate our
Late Valentine's.
dili na late Samoa. It's a Valentine in the US karon. It's our Valentine's today. Celebrate me sa among Valentine's picture day me. Just celebrate our Valentine's.
Just little taste.
Okay. Okay. Here, sit down. Ayan. Sit down.
Go back in the room and finish watching what I'm watching.
Yeah, just we're gonna slice I'm gonna slice a little to celebrate her.
Hey, you like it?
You like it, Celine?
You like it?
Of course, you like it. Uy, mantong. Hindi, asan naman to kung mga slices cake? Hindi. Wala man di.
Bakit ito is slicer pizza diha?
Lagi naman to. Asan man? Okay. Picture day mi day. Di picture ako na sa mi day video sa mi.
Videoan po.
Ay. Ayaw.
I can see. Send me the picture.
Ayaw.
No, video.
Dili, i-picture ba? Happy Valentine's, Susan. Juan. Happy Valentine's to the US. All my relatives.
Valentine's.
Valentine. Picture lang guys.